Did you find Mama's makeup? Oh, you gotta twist it.
You gotta pull up, Chloe. Pull it up. Pull the tube up. You don't twist, you pull it up.
I get some more makeup.
I think you have a lot on.
You gonna put on some more makeup or are you done? Whoa, that's a lot, yeah. Looks nice. I think you're getting plenty though. I think that's enough.
I'm getting so pretty, so I gotta keep the makeup on, okay, Daddy?
Okay, looks beautiful. Other cheek? Other cheek? Nice job.
That's enough. Go look in the mirror. You're very pink. You're as pink as your shirt.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
No. Don't wipe it on your clothes.
Yes.
Tell Papa Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Look
Christmas.
at Papa.
Hi. Say Merry Christmas, camera.
Merry Christmas.
Let's go look at your face. Let's go to the mirror.
Let's see what you think about your makeup job. Oh my goodness.
That's a lot of makeup.
Very pink. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty.
Pink makeup. Pink makeup.
Hi, Jackson. Thanks for coming to visit. Hi, Beans.